week of service is an opportunity to serve the dear neighbor by volunteering with organizations that are working to meet the needs of the most vulnerable in our communities. We collaborated with organizations like Bracken's Kitchen, Cantley Food Distribution Center, Illumination Foundation, and others. You'll have the opportunity to be outdoors in community gardens, come and cook and serve a meal to our unhoused brothers and sisters, or come and knit with the Sisters of St. Joseph at Yarn with a Purpose. On Saturday, October 15th, we'll gather back in campus. We'll have an opportunity to share our experience, to talk about what we saw, what we heard, and what we feel we are being called to. Join us and learn about the issues that are going on in our communities, and learn about the organizations that are working to make a difference. We hope to see you there.